Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout just with dumbbells. This workout is designed for women between 25 and 45 who want to build strength, tone up, and burn fat, all from home. You'll just need a pair of dumbbells and a little space. We'll go through 5 moves, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. I'll coach you through the form and the intensity the whole way. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with a squat to press. This is a full body power move. Drive through your heels and press overhead. So think strong and controlled. You wanna press up as you're coming up from that squat. Grab a pair of dumbbells that you can easily do, but that are more on the heavy side. So you wanna be able to challenge yourself. I was doing a 15 pair dumbbell here and it was definitely getting me after 40 seconds. Right now we're gonna go ahead and rest for 20 seconds. The clock is counting down. Grab a water, take a breather, 20 seconds for rest. I know the 20 seconds goes by really quickly, but just take a breather and let's move on to the next exercise, which is a RDL. So it stands for Romanian deadlift. This is going to be targeting the hamstrings and the glutes. So you want to have a slight bend on the knees. Push the hips back as far as you can till you feel that stretch in the hamstrings. You should feel this in your glutes and not your back. So make sure that your core is engaged and you're keeping that back straight, flat. And now we're gonna go ahead and rest another 20 seconds in between. Two, one, and we're gonna go ahead and start on the next exercise. This is a plank dumbbell drag. This is going to work on those shoulders and that core as well. You want to keep your hips stable. This one is a sneaky core killer. Keep your back straight. You want to keep your wrist right underneath your shoulders and keep that head in line with the spine. Four, three, two, one, and let's rest for 20 seconds. Moving on to our next exercise, 40 seconds on. This is going to be a bent over row. This is going to target your upper back and your posture. Make sure you keep your back flat and core tight. Squeeze those shoulder blades at the top of the movement. You want to make sure that you're kind of pushing those elbows towards the back and bringing the weight up to the hip level. All right, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 20 seconds rest. Here we go. You got this. And just like that, let's go ahead and get ready for the next exercise, which is going to be a reverse lunge to a curl. So we're gonna go ahead and hit those legs and the biceps with this move. You wanna step back, balance yourself, and curl as you come up. Don't rush, nice and controlled. Step back, bring that knee down, making sure that you have that 90-degree angle on that front leg. 20-second rest. Here we go. And since this is our last exercise, we want to make sure that we also stretch and do a cool down at the end of the workout, just to make sure that we lengthen those muscles and have a faster recovery. You can do whatever stretch feels good for you, but we did work the entire body, so you want to hit those legs in the stretch, the back, those arms, shoulders. Great job. Take like a 45-second water break in between rounds just to get your heart rate down a little bit. I have aminos in here. But how are you feeling? Comment below after the workout done so I know you crushed it. Nice work. Remember, even a short session like this adds up when you stay consistent. Consistency over perfection every single time. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. If you're ready for a structured plan, download my free total body 8-week workout linked below. It's perfect for busy women who want results without overtraining. You can go at your own pace, test out the workouts, remove what you don't need. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you on the next workout. Bye.